Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. So please stay tuned for all the goodies. Y'all already know my strong and soft 2-ply 4 rolls. Y'all already know my paper towels in 100 for $1.25. Still worthy. Now moving on to the fall items and some crafty stuff for the house as well. Now, I really recommend around this time to pick up your 2023 calendars from Dollar Tree because, much like last year, and it wasn't the fall yet. It was definitely the summer. I had just seen a video by Chic on the Cheap, and I don't know who the artist is. I think it says here Elizabeth Tidell. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but she has these really beautiful illustrations, as you can see, and it's very farm decor, very farmers market, and looks really lovely. And you can put it in your background, frame it if you're doing a review like I do, or if you're ever on camera, or just want a nice, picture frame for your bathroom. They have such great illustrations, and they're available now. You might want to snag them because they do kind of go quickly. And just to give you a preview of all the beautiful illustrations throughout the months. I mean, how gorgeous is that? And the real reason why I really picked it up, how cute is this one for Christmas time? I know that's going to look super lovely in a frame. So if you see it in my background, y'all already know. But look at that, even the cute one for, oh my god, Happy Harvest. Really nice, really cute. And you can just use it as a calendar, but I like to use it as decor. And I will link it again in the description box. Chic on the Cheap, how she has adjusted the calendar as a backdrop. So look out for these, $1.25. Not bad for all these illustrations. Yes, y'all, their ribbons are back for decor if you're doing anything Halloweeny. And this year, like I mentioned, this beautiful purple velvet, but they also have orange and black. So I picked up just another one. I think I mentioned in my last video. So I picked up another one just in case. Want to keep it in storage. As you can see, velvet ribbon and their craft your square section. 2.5 inches by 1 yard. Also, I thought this was lovely too. Look at all this nice pattern. I thought of like Mad Hatter type deal. This would be lovely for like either a costume. You can add embellishments and ribbons and just use this really beautiful pattern, as you can see. Very checkerboard, very Halloweeny, orangey and black. And yeah, same length, 2.5 inches by 108 inches. So 9 feet long, so you can see. So, but yes, in their craft your square section, $1.25 each. And I also picked up some yarn. It says Just Active Worsted Premier in white. It comes in an assortment of colors: grays, reds, orange. I picked up a white for a particular craft project that I'm doing, so stay tuned for that. But yes, I picked up one ball of yarn, and look how cute these are. Styrofoam skulls. I just saw also a DIY with Bargain Bethany, and she came up with the most cutest project for Halloween that I felt inspired, and I said I'm gonna do it. So I'll also put that in the description box below. But yes, I picked up 2 because you need to. Now the thing is that what I will say, her project requires like where you would put your paper towels. They weren't available at my local branch, so I picked up, I'm gonna try to do this the best way I can to do the same project but with different tools. So I picked up the LED taper candle, which I'll see if I can rework the way I'm gonna be able to use these 2 bad boys in a project. So I picked up 2, and as in addition to this project, and you'll see what I'm talking about once I link it in the description box, also I came across these nice round burner covers. Now I don't know if this is going to actually work. If it doesn't come to fruition, then guys, you already know, but I gave it a good shot. And this is in their cooking section. The Concept Cooking Concepts is the brand, and it brings two pieces. They're burner covers, but they're nice and circular, and so if I don't use it for the project, this still comes in handy just with your pots and pans. And this is the bigger one, and it says family is everything, and I believe the smaller version says the same thing too, so I picked up two. And lastly, because you never know when you need to light up your candles, yes, they've always been available. This isn't anything new, but they do come in handy. Candle lighters. So, you know, especially when you get those big candles and you've burned them down so very much to the wick, and it's all the way at the bottom and you can't reach it, this is really great. So, or if you have a lot of candles for a birthday party or whatever the case may be, and you just, you know, don't want to be so close to the flame, you got your candle lighter. So, and this is available even close to like the cashier, and also in their like home decor section. So with that, y'all, I did this really quick haul. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you feel inspired by any item here, please let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment section. If you like what you see, give us a like, leave us a comment down below. Also, if you'd like to share, please do. And if you would like to follow my videos, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, my next haul, and my next review that's coming soon. So until next time, XOXO, boo ha 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 ha, nerdy girl.